we are going to Jeju Island! So actually, itong trip na to is very special for us kasi this is going to be our
prenup shoot.
Yeah. So actually, we have a connecting flight. Papunta muna kami sa Shenzhen. Sorting center. Charis, hindi. Sa Shenzhen. Kasi ayaw na naming dumaan sa Seoul kasi kailangan ng visa. So, we are visa-free to Jeju. So, si Miguel din na siya kumuha ng Korean visa. Ako, may Korean visa na ako na multiple. So, okay lang. Pero, ayaw na niyang ma-hassle. Gusto namin direct to Jeju na para visa-free. So, yeah guys, we are off to Shenzhen first for our layover and then off to Jeju. We are finally here at Shenzhen. Baka mabubulol. We are finally here at Shenzhen. And dito lang tayo sa airport, syempre. Our layover is around mga 4 hours, 5 hours. And now, we are off to Jeju. 3 hours yung flight. So,
tulog muna tayo. Sleeping time.
Touchdown!
In Jeju Island.
Dito na kami after 9 hours kasi medyo mahaba yung layover namin sa
May difference pa na 1 hour.
Yeah, may difference nga na 1 hour.
Yes.
Because of our layover sa Shenzhen. But finally, we're here! Excited kami. Tapos na tayo sa immigration and sa customs. So first na gagawin natin of course is magwi-withdraw ng pera. So as always, I use my GCash card to withdraw money kasi mas maganda yung conversion rates nila. And for internet, I always buy eSIM na lang sa Klook. So ilalagay ko na lang din lahat ng details sa description box. Si Miguel hindi eSIM compatible yung phone niya, so bibili pa siya ng SIM. Dito bumili si Miguel ng SIM niya, SK Telecom. As in, paglabas lang siya dito sa customs. 1,300 siya for 8 days. Kapag withdraw na rin kami ng cash, actually hindi ko sure kung kailangan ba talaga ng cash dito kasi usually sa Seoul, super rare lang yung kakailanganin mo ng cash. Yung mga ano lang, street food, ganyan. Ngayon, papunta na kami sa shuttle kasi kailangan naming mag-bus papunta dun sa car rental. Nag-rent kami ng sasakyan kasi nabasa namin mas madali to go around Jeju if you rent your own car. Kasi hindi ganun ka-efficient daw yung transportation dito, lalo na kung pupunta kayo sa mga tourist spots. So, yung IDP ni Miguel, international license namin, si Jamie, pwede pa naman namin siyang gamitin. So, may video si Miguel kung paano kumuha ng IDP. Ilalagay ko na lang din siya sa description box. So, ito yung bus natin. Sa Tamra kami nag-rent ng sasakyan. Ito rin sasakyan natin, this is an electric car. Yung renta niya, in fairness, sulit naman. Around 18,000 pesos for 7 days. Tapos 4 kami maghati-hati. So, sulit na rin. It's time to drive around Jeju. Papunta na kami sa Airbnb. It's just close, 10 minutes. Of course, hindi complete ang ating vlog kung wala tayong Airbnb tour. And guys, I am so happy with this Airbnb. And hindi siya ganun kamahal. As in, super worth it for the price. Very, very spacious. Let's do a quick Airbnb tour. Upon entering, ito agad yung bubungad sa inyo. Meron silang provided na house slippers. Pasok tayo dito. This is the dining area. So, very spacious. Ang daming chairs. And then, dito naman is yung sala area na may kasama na ring bed. So, living room na siya. Meron siyang TV. And then, meron siyang double bed dito sa gilid. And then, pag dinerecho mo to, ito na yung kitchen area. Ayan siya. Very spacious. And then, meron tayong restroom. And may shower, toilet. Weird lang kasi yung bidet, long distance siya. Ang layo niya sa toilet. Pero, kaya naman, abot naman siya hanggang dyan. Then, for the other room, ito yung room ni Jamie and ni Vince. So, meron siyang dalawang single bed. Sobrang nagustuhan namin itong Airbnb namin kasi very spacious and actually maraming malapit na restaurants. Malapit lang din siya sa airport and may malapit din na convenience store. So right now, we're just settling down, looking for a restaurant nearby kung saan kami pwedeng kumain kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Hello, kamsahamnida.
Here na.
Yes. Super lapit lang nito sa Airbnb namin, as in 2 blocks away. So, ayaw na namin maghanap ng malayo. Tsaka, antayan namin si Vince and si Jamie bago kami kumain sa mga like top-rated restaurants dito sa Jeju. So, naghanap lang kami ng malapit. Yes.
Sarap?
Hindi siya yung one of the best na try ko, pero it's still good. Nag-order din kami ng seaweed soup. So, Jeju specialty to. It's good. Nagustuhan namin siya. Hindi lang siya mukhang super appealing, pero guys, masarap siya, promise.
Jeju local soup.
Yeah, must try. May nahanap si Miguel na cat cafe. Ang cute nung place. So, very chill lang siya. Tapos yung mga cats, oh. May pusa. Hi! Hi! Kamukha niya si Fury. Ang cute. Tapos may mga spoons sila. Nakasabit siya. Pusa. Ang cute. Isa pa to. Sarap ng sleep. Sobrang cute ng cafe, guys. Ang liit lang niya. Tapos may mga pusa. Ayun, nakita niyo yung pusa sa taas. Cute. We got pistachio latte. So, walang coffee yan. And then, egg tart. And ano to, my love?
This is salted caramel bread.
Ayan, ito yung pangalan ng cafe. Mirdang. Jamie is here! Dito tayo sa BHC. Medyo maingay lang, guys. Pasensya na. This is our favorite chicken place here in Korea. Ito yung usually na-order namin. May cheese siya. Basta sobrang nakaka-addict. Super duper good. Ito na siya, guys. Tapos nag-order kami na tong dip. Super good. And then fries. And then some tteokbokki and hot dog. Good morning, everybody! Day 2 here in Jeju. And for today, pupunta tayo sa Osuluk Tea House and Innisfree Jeju House. So, most na pupuntahan natin is nasa west side ng Jeju Island. Actually, guys, I would recommend na mas magstay kayo sa Sugwipo kasi karamihan ng magagandang puntahan, mas malapit doon. But since we are here for the prenup shoot, kailangan talaga namin nandito kami sa Jeju City or yung pinaka-main, malapit sa airport. Kasi andito yung mga rental ng mga suit and mga gowns. So, in-advise kami ng Hype Wedding who will handle our prenup shoot to stay within the city. Our driver for today, papakita ko sa inyo. Jaime is the driver.
Sino may XP?
Yeah.
Ang Jeju drive.
Pero may IDP din siya, guys, ha? Kaya pwede siya mag-drive. You need an international driver's license to drive here in Jeju. Ang daming flowers.
Nasa gutter lang sila.
Oo. Sa gilid-gilid lang. Ang dami. Innisfree Jeju House. Pupuntahan natin yung cafe nila. So we can eat. Super nice. So nice. Ang ganda dito, guys. Sobrang ganda, guys, dito sa cafe. Tapos tignan nyo tong view na to. Wow! Ito yung mga green tea field nila. So nice! Ganda. So, ito na yung brunch natin. Ito yung bestseller nila, Henyo breakfast. And then we have tangerine smoothie. Let's eat! Let's try this. Dol Songi cake.
Orange siya.
Good. Isa to, guys, sa famous picture spots here in Jeju. Super nice. So usually ito yung uncle. Dito sa taas si Miguel. Tapos bababa ako para mag-picture siya. Cutie! So ito na yung Jeju House. Let's see kung may mga mabili tayong mga products. Pero nakita ko sa TikTok, same lang din naman daw yung mga products na binibenta nila dito sa ibang mga Jeju stores nila. So, nothing special. Itong mat. Yeah, like mattifying talaga. Tabi ng Innisfree House is itong Osulok Tea House. Sikat siya na tea dito sa Korea. So, we're going to check if may mabibili tayo. May cafe din dito, dun banda, sa dulo. So, if you wanna get tea or mga desserts, meron din sila. Okay, next stop, Camellia Hill Botanical Garden. So, medyo malaki-laki to guys. Naiikutan natin. May greenhouse, pond, Magnolia Walk, observatory, and autumn garden. And may grass field din. This is the greenhouse. Wow! Ang ganda guys. Ang bango pa. Tapos na tayo dito sa Camellia Hill and highly recommend ko siya. So, ngayon kasi pupuntahan namin yung fitting ni Miguel ng suit. So, kailangan namin umalis dito. Tignan nyo to. Ang ganda! So, sa tabi lang siya ng street. Like, as in, nadaan lang namin siya and gustong mag-pictures and mag-drone ni Miguel. So pretty! We are finally here for Miguel's suit fitting for tomorrow's shoot. Andito si Morgan, yung from Hype Wedding. She's waiting for us. Morgan, say hi to the vlog. This is Morgan from Hype Wedding.
Yes.
So contact her.
Contact me.
Yeah. So many colors to choose from. Yes naman. Ready na ikasal yarn. Nice. Very formal. So cute. Ang cute ng ribbon. Yeah. I like it. It's so cute.
Hindi siya masyadong malaki. Ganyan talaga.
Hindi. I think it looks nice. Our last stop for today. Ang ganda! Hamdok Beach. Pa-sunset na guys. Late yung sunset dito. 7:30. 6 p.m. na. Medyo pababa na yung araw.
Malamig, malamig. Check natin ang weather. 20.
Oh, 20?
Aircon.
Para,
sa beach.
Aircon.
This is the view. And this is I love you.
Guys, ang ganda dito sa Hamdok Beach. I highly recommend. May nahanap si Miguel na restaurant for dinner. Yung kakainin natin for tonight is galchi. So, sikat yun dito sa Jeju. One of their local food. So, fish siya na pahaba. Dito tayo magde-dinner, guys. Ang ganda ng view natin. Okay. So, ito yung abalone. And then, ito yung mga fish. Bulgogi. And then, guys, ang laki ng fish. Wow! Look at this! Wow! Marinated crab. Yum! Ito na yung fish.
Okay, order ka na lang.
Matinik. Very matinik. Pero masarap siya. Masarap. Yeah. We are currently charging the car. Madali lang naman siya. Just make sure to use Google Translate pag may hindi kayo maintindihan. Tapos para makahanap ng EV charging, i-search nyo lang siya sa Naver Maps. Para mag 100%, 41 minutes. Pero hindi na namin iwa 100. Siguro kahit mga 70-80 lang. Okay na. We're ready to go to sleep. That was a very productive second day. Tomorrow is going to be our prenup shoot. So, we're very excited for that. Call time natin tomorrow is 10:30 a.m. So, hindi naman ganun kaaga. So, we have time to prepare in the morning. Kung hindi ko pa na-mention, I booked this prenup shoot with Hype Wedding. Ilalagay ko na lang yung details nila dito or sa description box. Ang maganda sa kanila, guys, they booked everything for us. Photographer, makeup, hairstylist, yung rental ng mga damit namin, like yung suit ni Miguel, and yung gown na gagamitin ko. Everything was prepared by them. Kinontak nila lahat. The thing here in Jeju is, of course, hindi lahat is marunong mag-English. So, yung kanina dun sa suit ni Miguel, yung owner, hindi siya super magaling mag-English. So, yung Hype Wedding, magpro-provide din sila ng translator to make sure na okay yung communication with the people needed for the shoot. So, we're very excited for tomorrow. And of course, we will bring you guys with us kung ano yung mga kaganapan. Para din just in case, if you want to do your prenup shoot here in Jeju, meron kayong idea. So, ayun guys. Good night. We will update you again tomorrow.
See you guys. Good night.
Good morning! Time to sundo Vince with our driver. So, arrival tayo, Benjiku. She's here! Good morning so much! Andito tayo sa Better Flat. It's a cafe near our Airbnb. May coffee, may breakfast. We are off to our prenup shoot. Yes. Binyag daw. Mga nakaputi. We're here, Nervy and Dansum, wedding and makeup. Emily's here. Emily, say hi to the vlog. So she's the owner with Morgan. Look at the dresses. They're so pretty. I'm so excited. But they recommend to bring your own shoes since maputik and all that. So we're finally here. Time to do makeup and some styling for the clothes. This is our hair and makeup station. It's my first time to do like Korean makeup. I'm very excited. Let's go. Guys, look at my makeup. I look like a legit Koreana.
So how are you feeling? Oh!
Iyak na naman ako. Ano ba? Saan yung makeup? Oh my God.
Oh, ganda!
Okay, si okay. So after the shoot, guys, we're going to have dinner here. Mga pagod na, pero of course, we need to eat. So we're going to try black pig for the first time. Specialty nila dito sa Jeju yung black pig. So we have to try it. This is what we're having for dinner. Of course, meron tayong soju bomb to celebrate the day. Order namin is pork belly and then pork neck. And then yung kay Miguel naman is ribs. Kain na! Let's eat!
Take some time.
Guys, super sarap ng black pig. No? Kakaiba. Like,
It's different from...
Yeah, the usual.
mas malasa siya.
Malambot.
Malambot. Mabang lambot.
Tender.
Hindi ko na alam guys kung anong day kami. Pero another day here in Jeju. So we're going to the Henyo Museum. And then yung beach kung saan sinut yung When Life Gives You Tangerines.
Aman?
Yes! Unfortunately, it is raining. Pero swerte na kami kasi kahapon during our shoot, hindi umulan. Unfortunately, it's gonna rain the whole day. So, hindi ko alam kung may enjoy natin yung beach and all that with this kind of weather. Pero pupuntahan na lang din natin kasi we don't have time na for the rest of our trip to go to these locations. So, might as well make the most out of everything. So, we are on our way. Ang biyahe natin is 52 minutes to the Henyo Museum. We're finally here, Henyo Museum. Ayan yung price ng tickets nila. So, since group of 4 kami, ayan, 801 lang per person.
And Henyo is the most precious cultural heritage to protect.
we're done with the museum. Mabilis lang siya, guys. Konti lang siya, maliit lang. Pero super interesting. Like, if you want to know more about the history of the Henyos, kung paano siya nag-start, kung paano yung work nila, I definitely recommend na pumunta kayo dito. Now we're going to have late lunch. Somewhere near lang dito, walking distance. The name of the restaurant is Sewa Doldam Noodle House. Maganda yung mga reviews niya. So we'll check if okay nga ba. Ito na yung restaurant. Maraming tao. So mukhang masarap siya. Order ni Miguel is seaweed noodle with abalone. So, ito yung meat din na in-order namin. Ang sarap, guys. Para siyang bossam. Highly recommend. Order this. Tapos, noodles sila. Porridge yung in-order ko. Ito yung mga order namin. I suggest mag-half na lang kayo. Parang good for two na yung isang order. Next stop natin is Gimnyong Beach. Pero, guys, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Sayang, ang pangit ng weather. Pero, ito yung isa sa mga shooting locations ng When Life Gives You Tangerine. Sobrang ganda ng tubig, guys. Uy, may duck! Hi! Anyong! Nandito tayo sa Byronic Espresso Coffee Shop.
Where are you working? You're sa may sea there.
Yeah, buti tumigil na yung ulan, but super nice.
So pretty.
Ganda. In fairness kay Vince, ang galing niya maghanap ng coffee shop. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Love it. Ang sarap ng matcha nila.
Who's the best?
Tapos nag-order kami ng green tangerine pudding. Hindi ko siya type. Sobrang maasim. Kasi tangerine eh. So, for dinner, we're gonna eat uni and some seafood. So, recommended to ni Vince. Ito na yung order natin. Sea urchin na raw. I love sea urchin, so I'm so excited to try this out. So, lalagyan daw ng seaweed, cucumber, sea urchin.
It is.
We are finally home. Actually, ang dami naming ganap for today. Pumunta kami sa isang chicken place after doon sa uni place. Doon kumain si Miguel. So, sumunod kami doon. Kumain kami ng konting chicken and then we had some beer. And then nag-olive young kami after. So, sorry, hindi ko na na-vlog yun kasi we were enjoying the moment. So, we are now back at the Airbnb. Tomorrow, lilipat na kami sa Sugwipo. We're going to check out early kasi gusto namin pumunta sa Dongmun Market na hindi namin napuntahan today. Ayun guys, that's it for today. We will update you again tomorrow. Good night! Good morning! Nag-check out na kami. We are on our way to Dongmun Market. Actually, yung Dongmun Market, mas nire-recommend nila sa gabi pero wala na kaming time kagabi. So, today na lang, we'll update you guys kung ano yung mga kakainin natin sa Dongmun Market. We are finally here. Tayo ay magfo-food trip na. Guys, ang cute! Ang cute nito. Cutie! Kyopta! Cutie!
Ang cute!
Ang cute! Bottle opener, tapos ano na rin siya, ref magnet. Ang daming ref magnet. Kyopta! So kyopta! May mga stall na ganito, pero sabi nila, hindi daw lahat open ng gantong morning. So, let's see kung ano lang yung makakain natin. We're also going to try this rice balls. May binili rin akong dumplings. Skewered chicken. It's good, in fairness.
Ang laki, pamura lang, 3K lang.
3K. Yum. Ang sarap din itong rice ball. This is 5,000. Good. Dahil kumain ang Blackpink dito, syempre kakain ang 5th member. Masasayo. We did a stopover bago mag-waterfalls. Ito yung Gasirim Forest. Pero, ang pinunta namin dito is the cafe. So, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Gasirim Cafe. Wow! Ay, ang ganda nitong view dito sa labas. Super nice. Yung entrance fee, papasok dito is 4,000 won. Tapos, yung mga coffee is around 8,000 to 10,000 won. In fairness, worth it naman siya kasi ang ganda. If you are the type of person who loves coffee shops, this is a must visit. Si Vince kasi, very obsessed with coffee. So, Kaya marami tayong coffee shop stops for this trip. Sayang guys, wala to. Kasi winter lang daw yung mga flowers na yan. So, sayang. Pero usually, ito yung pinupuntahan dito. In fairness, ito yung coffee shop. Okay naman daw yung coffee nila, sabi ni Vince. And yung matcha, okay naman. Masarap. So, thumbs up. Finally here at Jongbang Falls. Ayan, 2,000 won each. So, bili muna tayo ng ticket. Sabi nila, ito lang daw yung waterfalls na connecting sa ocean. So, ayan siya. Then, connecting sa ocean. Super nice! We're finally here! Ang daming turista, guys. Malamang tourist spot to. What do you expect? Pero ayan, I'm just gonna show you the amount of people so you know what to expect pag nandito kayo. For lunch, dito tayo. Super lapit lang niya dun sa falls na pinuntahan natin. Like 2 minutes away. So mataas yung reviews nito. Highly recommended. So let's see if legit and masarap. So seafood and black pork to combined. Ito siya, Jeju seafood and black pork set. So, combined na yan. May kasamang corn conch, abalone, octopus, art shell shrimp, and assorted mushrooms. And then, ito yung mga side dishes nila. Lambot? Super lambot. So far, guys.
So good.
Best meal so far.
My knife.
Sobrang sarap. Like, sarap ng pork, ang sarap ng seafood, ang sarap ng lahat. Yeah, worth it for the price. I highly recommend this place. Our last stop before checking in sa ating Airbnb. Kasi Airbnb natin, 4 PM pa yung check-in. It's currently 3:40, so puntahan muna natin to. This is the Odolgay Rock. Sorry, hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation, but let's go.
어저께 새싹진 지급부 제주시입니다.
Dito na tayo, guys. Super nice.
Ang ganda.
Tignan ka ni ate. Ano yun?
Ang cute ng mga park dito sa Korea. Ganyan, may mga machine talaga sila for workout. Usually, mga seniors, ganyan yung mga nag-workout sa ganyan. Natawa si Miguel. Let's go! May weight? May weight?
Pwede ako yung weight.
Ako try ko ngayon.
Para mga bata eh. Dito na tayo sa Airbnb natin dito sa Sugwipo. Super okay siya, but 1, medyo malayo sa kabihasnan. 2, walang elevator. Tapos 3rd floor siya. So medyo struggle. Pero cute and affordable siya. So I'm gonna show you. We're going to do a quick Airbnb tour. Upon entry, may sasalubong sa inyong maganda. So, upon entry, so andito na yung sala natin. Very spacious naman siya. Perfect for 4 people. And then we have a mini kitchen. Ang nakapagbenta sa akin is etong view sana of the tangerines. Pero, parang hindi ata season ngayon. Anyway, 3 rooms to. So, this is Miguel and I's room. Cutie lang siya. Enough space. And then, meron tayong restroom dito sa baba, pero may tao, so hindi natin mapupuntahan. Later na lang. And then, merong hagdan paakyat. May 2 pang room dito sa taas. So, this is the other room. Tapos, meron siyang terrace. Ayan. Ganda. So, pwede kayong tumambay dyan. May table and may mga chairs. Tapos, ito naman yung isa pang room. Ayan siya. And then, merong restroom. Super nice din ng toilet dito sa taas. Mas spacious yung toilet dito kesa sa baba. Ito yung CR sa baba. Super liit lang. Ito na yung shower. Ayan. So, that's our Airbnb tour. Another cafe because of this gay. Dito tayo sa Lavar.
Saan po kayo?
Ano ka ba? Ang ganda ng cafe na to. OMG. Ganda pa sa labas. Wow. So we're finally here sa Guipo Ole Market. Dito tayo kakain ng mga kung anek-anek. Marami silang mga raw fish, raw seafood. So, kung type nyo yan, marami ditong options. Tignan nyo to, super haba ng pila. I think tangerine mochi siya. Pero unfortunately, we don't have the time and patience para pumila. So, we're gonna skip this one. After so many ganaps today, we are finally home and ready to sleep. Another busy day tomorrow. Marami rin ulit tayong ganap kasi last full day na natin. So, ayun guys, time to sleep. Good night.
So cold.
Good morning! So, for today, our first stop, Songsan Ichulbong. This is 45 minutes away from our Airbnb. So, medyo maaga kaming umalis ng bahay, mga 7:30. Andito na kami ng mga 8:20. Actually, malamig kasi totally walang araw. So sad. 17 degrees with me and my
Skirt.
polo and my skirt from Uniqlo. So, okay lang naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. Super lamig. Isa to sa mga famous tourist spots dito sa Jeju. So, kailangan nyo mapuntahan to, syempre. Sayang lang, hindi ganun kaganda yung weather. Hindi ganun kaganda sa photos for sure. Pero, maganda pa rin siya, guys. I'll show you. Yan. Ganda.
Laban daw.
Merong paid and free section. So, kung aakyat kayo sa summit, may bayad. Pero kung dito lang kayo, hindi kailangang magbayad. Merong women diver show, 2 p.m. once a day. Try namin balikan to kasi gusto talaga namin makita. So, ayan guys. Ang lamig. Sobrang hangin. Ito yung canola flower fields dapat. Pero by May, wala na talaga siya. So kung gusto nyo siyang makita, ang sabi sa akin is February to March siya nagbo-bloom. For brunch, andito tayo sa Orn. One of the best coffee shops here in Jeju. Kasi super ganda ng view guys. Wait, I'll show you. So ito yung view natin. Ito yung mismong coffee shop. Super duper aesthetic. Like wow, ang ganda. Since late magbubukas yung Orn guys, dito muna tayo mag-breakfast. And then coffee na lang later or drinks dun sa Orn Cafe. So this is on the stone. In fairness naman sa serving. Actually, one order you can share. Ang dami niya. Very heavy, big breakfast. Mabalik na kami dito sa Orn. They have desserts. Ang ganda dito. I love it. Good news, meron silang decaf. So, I ordered their bestseller. This is Orn Latte. Meron siyang peanuts. Ang cute, merong croissant na maliit, oh. And then, kay Miguel matcha. And then, we got pistachio basque. Cheesecake siya na may pistachio. Coffee nila, sorry, medyo maingay yung music, pero masarap yung coffee. Actually, dito sa Jeju, sikat din yung peanut, like peanut ice cream and all that. Heavily produced siya dito sa Jeju. Tapos, ang sarap din ito, pistachio. Since di na tayo natuloy sa Udo Island because of the weather, masyado daw mahangin, may chance na hindi makauwi dahil sa waves. Dito na lang tayo sa Banquer de Lumiere. So it's a digital art installation. Ito siya, art and music immersive experience. Mukhang wala masyadong tao guys. So it's perfect. Let's go inside. Binalikan namin tong Songson Ilchulbon para sana sa diverse performance at 2 p.m. But unfortunately, because of the rough seas, canceled. So, bumaba pa kami, guys. Aakyatin namin siya ulit. Wala kaming napala.
The hen you said.
Naumay na sa pork ang mga tao at sa seafood. So, samgyetang for super late lunch. May nahanap kaming restaurant, walang tao ulit. Kami lang ulit yung nandito.
Wow.
This is a budget that I think.
Wow.
It's another coffee shop. Ito yung Landing Coffee naman. Super nice. I love it. Very simple, pero ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda. So pretty, no? Very chill ng vibe. So, ayan guys, yung order namin is tea, hot tea. Kasi ang dami namin nakain. Si Jamie, I would recommend, ang sarap nitong na-order niya. Jeju Island Tea. Super good. And according to Vince, masarap din yung coffee. Busy siya mag-work doon. So, fairness. Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi ko kayo na-update. Pero, nag-market ulit kami kanina para maghanap sana ng marinated crabs. Pero unfortunately, hindi daw siya common dito sa Jeju, yung crab. So, hindi kami nakahanap. So, sad. May raw marinated crabs sa Jeju City. Pero dito sa Soglipo, wala masyado. So, nag-black pork na lang kami. Pasensya na kayo, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi ngarag na kami kanina. And nakapila ako doon sa mochi na sikat doon sa market. Masarap yung strawberry for me, yung tangerine, Kerry Bells lang. Not so... Okay lang. Like, kung super haba ng pila, okay lang na wag nyo na siyang itry. Right now, we are packing kasi aalis na sila Jamie and Vince. 6 a.m. in the morning. Kami ni Miguel mga 9 or 10 in the morning. So, it's our last night. We are currently drinking some alcohol. O, diba? That's it for today. We will update you again tomorrow. Good night. Cheers!
Cheers the house.
Gombe!
Gombe, go, what's up?
Okay guys, good morning. It's our last day here in Jeju. And now we are ready to check out dito sa aming Airbnb. Magbe-breakfast lang kami and then papunta na rin kami sa car rental para ibalik yung sasakyan and then papunta na kami sa airport. Our flight is at 3 p.m. So, we want to be at the airport around 12 to 12:30 or around mga 1 para lang hindi sobrang gahol sa oras and that so we have time to go around the airport and buy some stuff. Time to go down. Medyo struggle lang talaga guys kasi walang elevator dito sa Airbnb na to. For brunch, andito tayo sa Melbuzz. Dito na kami sa Jeju City. So, malapit na kami sa airport. I ordered decaf na vanilla latte. In fairness, ang sarap. Sarap din ang food nila. Medyo mahal lang. Around mga 20,000 won. Pero it's really good. So, if you want to splurge a little for brunch, you should try this out. I highly recommend it. Nabalik na namin yung sasakyan. So, right now, this is our bus going to the airport. Super hassle-free mag-rent ng car dito sa Jeju. So, I highly recommend rent a car when you come here to Jeju Island. We are finally at the airport. So, palipad na kami papuntang Shenzhen. So, it's the same flight na papunta dito, Shenzhen, and then Jeju, Shenzhen to Manila. So, yun na guys. That ends our Jeju trip. As usual, everything you need to know is on the description box. So, thank you so much for watching. Till our next vlog.
Wait for our pictures.
Yes, wait for our pictures.